In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export Figma designs like a pro. We'll walk through two reliable ways to get your designs out of Figma quickly and cleanly, and I'll share helpful context so you know when to use each option. First, open Figma and load the file you want to export. There are two main export paths. One is great for collecting multiple frames into a single PDF, and the other is perfect for exporting individual assets with precise settings. Let's start with the PDF route. Look to the top left and click the Figma icon. This opens the main menu. From here, go to File. In the File menu, choose Export Frames to PDF. This option gathers your selected frames and prepares them as a multi-page PDF, which is ideal for presentations, review docs, or sharing a complete set with clients. When the dialog appears, click Export. Figma will generate the PDF and save it to your computer. Keep in mind, the frame order in your Layers panel influences the page order in the PDF, so having your frames arranged before exporting helps keep things clear for your audience. Now for the second method, which gives you more control for individual graphics. With your frame, group, or layer selected, look at the right-hand panel and scroll to the bottom until you see the export section. This is where you can define exactly how your asset should be saved. You'll notice a size control labeled with multipliers. This is the X scale. It lets you export at different resolutions from the same design. For example, clicking 2x doubles the pixel dimensions, which is great for high-density screens and crisp social media posts. Right next to the size, you can choose the format. Pick the one that matches your use case. PNG preserves transparency and is a strong default for UI elements and graphics. JPG is a solid choice for photos or when file size matters more than transparency. SVG is ideal for simple vector icons that need to scale infinitely. PDF works well if you want a vector-friendly document for print workflows. This method shines when you need a specific image or a single component exported without bundling everything together. As a quick tip, verify that you've selected exactly what you want before exporting. Figma exports based on the active selection. A clean selection means a clean output with no extra margins or unintended layers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.